Like,
888 for search. What are you looking for?
get rid of look at that.
Now that the Penguin panorama is pristine, the only thing left is to feed them.
There you go. You want to try one?
Yeah, sure.
Good girl, Lily. Ready? Get it.
There's no vitamin in there.
Right there.
Come on, take it. Huh. I don't think they like it.
Here comes a customer. There you go.
Well, clearly it's me.
Good boy. We'll try one.
No, it's me.
Here you go.
That Penguin's hate me. Come on. Look at you.
They're afraid you're going to clean their mess next.
You know, I'm no expert, but I'm pretty sure they just hate my guts. Maybe I should have worn a tux. I'll try it.
What the heck is that about? You lazy bum. Come here.
Come here, sweetheart.
See, now, the only thing he wants to eat is the stuff that's attached to me. Fingers, tendons, that kind of thing. I'm now going to attempt to toss one of these toward the three tenors in the hopes that maybe snagging
What, you don't
out
want
of
to drop
the
it on the
air
carpet or
would be
something?
a little more palatable for them. Gentlemen? It is so clearly me. Never have I received such a chilly reception. They could at least share a meal with me, even if it is a dead fish with a vitamin jam down its gullet.
Such a nice guy.
I know, you don't have to hit me over the head, Penguins. I know when I'm not wanted.
You've heard it. You've heard it.
I'm flesh and bone. If you prick me, will I not bleed?
Come here, Quadwood. Maynard. Uncle Mike. Uncle Mike.
Maynard. Maybe Maynard will remember. Maynard, it's me. It's me now. Here comes friggin' Fracked and Peel in the parade. I know when to leave my own show. Yeah, I came a long way to feed some penguins, but all they let me do was pick up their poop. Once again, here I stand on the outside, looking in.
Why are you laying down? Do you want to do it no more? I know you do.
They're hunting for bloodworms. I know this because of a letter I pulled off of our website just the other day. It says, "Dear Mike, for the last 40 years or so, my family's been pulling bloodworms out of the mud. Now, if you really want to get dirty, come on up to Raccoon Cove in Maine and hang out with some professional bloodworm hunters. They'll get you good and dirty. I promise. Sincerely, Stetson Edgar. P.S.
Come on, Lily.
Bloodworms have teeth, and they bite.
Hey, little kid.